Think about it. How often do we rush? Even on days that are supposed to be calm. Rush to see more, to fit more, to not miss anything. We didn't come here to see something famous. We didn't plan a road. We just wanted a normal walk in Berlin. And somehow that's exactly where everything slowed down. Even when we travel, even when we are vacation, we travel to relax, but we turned it into a checklist. Another schedule, another must-see, another race against time. And somewhere between what next and we still have to go there, we stop being present. That day we didn't want that. But we didn't know yet if slowing down would actually work. We just tried. If this kind of travel feels close to you, slow, real, without rushing, we travel to feel places, not to tick them off. If that's how you want to travel too, you feel at home here. And while we were working, we realized this place wasn't random at all. And did you know, Berlin's cherry blossoms didn't just appear here by chance. After the Berlin Wall fell in 1919, people in Japan raised money to gift thousands of cherry trees to the city of Berlin. Many of them were planted right here, along former border streets, in local parks, and on a quiet Berlin streets. So every spring, when these blossoms appear, they are not just flowers, they are living reminder of renewal, hope, and new begins right here in Berlin. And suddenly, this simple walk felt even more meaningful. We walk slowly, no rushing, no checking the time, just listening to footsteps, to the wind, to quiet voices around us. And suddenly, nothing else mattered. That's when we realized something. The hardest part of traveling isn't going far, it's slowing down. Because when you slow down, moments don't need chasing, they catch up with you. Maybe this is your reminder. You don't need a perfect plan to have a meaningful day. That day we weren't searching for something special, and that's exactly when it happened. We felt calm, present, together, like we were exactly where we need to be. This is the kind of motion we were born for. Not fast, not loud, but real. Sometimes the most meaningful journeys don't take you far. They bring you back to the moment and to each other. See you in the next one.